Back at the block in House 2, the big-ticket items keep rolling in.
Oh!
Look at that. Mate, I woke up so excited this morning, knowing Fabian was installing the stone today. Mr. Fabian, what a man. He's an artiste, and I've heard a lot about him.
You could say he's Melbourne's most famous tiler and stonemason, and he's created a bit of a name for himself on past seasons of the block.
It's a mess, man. I don't want to slip. I don't want to hurt myself.
Mate, don't upset him, mate. I'm telling you, he's dangerous.
I told you and I told Keith to get it ready. I was being realistic with you. Richard and you think that people can perform miracles, and it's not going to happen. If we're taking tiles up, I'm going home and get somebody else to finish it. Simple as that.
Oh, come on, mate.
Nah, enough, mate. Enough's enough.
Fabian was here to install our natural stone island bench.
Yeah, bruh. Well done. That looks sick.
Last week, Sarah and George visited Fabian at his warehouse to check out the progress of their natural stone island bench.
Is that how big my island is?
Look at
That's how big your island
Oh, my
is.
God. They told me you're good, but I didn't know you're that good.
It is.
So they say. So they say.
Wow.
And the curve that Fabian's created for the bench took Sarah and George's breath away.
Yeah. So they're all mited. That gets grinded by hand.
Oh my gosh. And he's making it like piece by piece by piece to put it together.
And it's just amazing. Wow.
Holy crap.
It's fantastic. Unfortunately, we didn't get to choose the colour. I couldn't have picked a better colour. I love it.
Yeah?
Beautiful.
Yeah,
honestly,
man,
I
that's
love
stunning.
it. But it was so nice that we went and changed the other choices we made to suit that colour.
So Sarah and George headed to Caesar Stone to make sure the rest of their bench tops match their natural stone island bench.
Yeah,
Jeez,
intenso,
I like that.
better, more crisp.
Looks crisp.
So we just went for a white,
Yeah.
and it's going to look beautiful.
Mate.
Now it's time to lift this huge piece of natural stone into place.
Now, your side? Being a natural stone, it is quite heavy. So a lot of...
Quite heavy isn't the word. Like, it's very heavy.
What do you think this piece weighs?
A full slab, which is nearly a full slab, is about 250 kilos, so I'm assuming that's probably about 200. Okay, 1, 2, 3, let's go. That's it. Okay.
Well, 8 strong men
Yeah.
carrying this thing off the truck today.
We'll hold the weight. That's it. Next person. What are we doing?
Yeah, down. Whoa, that's
Well
it. Now,
done,
sink
mate.
side is off. Sink
That
side
step
is
was
off.
hard.
Hey, George, what are you going to do if it breaks?
Keith, why do you do that to me, mate?
I'm just asking.
That's it. Okay.
Touch, funny top.
Okay. Yep. Okay.
We got it here.
Okay. Let him go. Yep.
A little bit further. Yeah, bring it to us.
There was a bit of a euphoric moment, like the clouds were opening up. Oh, and it finally fit our bench. It's so beautiful.
Down.
Well done, boys. Oh, very exciting. Love Kitchen Week.
Yeah, me too.
I've never seen a kitchen that beautiful in my life, so it's nice to be in my own home.